Order up.
Order up.
There we go. Let's pack this order. We got a new online order, folks. We got one Jeep trailer short sleeve Atlantic green large.
One Jeep trailer Atlantic green large. Heard.
USA striped bass flag hat Atlantic green.
Heard.
And one Bronco short sleeve island green large. Beautiful. So we got to double check it. Jeep trailer short sleeve Atlantic green large. Bronco short sleeve tee island green. Check. And striped bass flag hat. Check. Need a 12-10-6.
12-10-6.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Everybody gets a free sticker, a thank you, and of course, a handwritten note. Order Winnipeg, New Jersey, 23.9 ounces. Christine!
Here.
And that's how you ship a package.